Hi, it's Lydia here from Lydia's Plate. I would like to show you today how to make angel food cake from scratch. So I cracked and separated 18 eggs here. I only make this cake when we're getting an abundance of eggs and we're not keeping up with selling them. Guys, I'm back. My fingers aren't sticky anymore. So first thing, we're going to preheat our oven to 350. There we go, and I've put a pinch of salt in here, and we're going to beat these egg whites till they get nice and foamy, and then we'll add in our cream of tartar. So it takes a few minutes for those egg whites to get foamy, so I decided to start greasing my angel food cake pan. I used lard, as that's what we have an abundance of. We render it down each year after we've slaughtered our pork, and it generally works really well. It's been about a year since I last made this cake, so I totally forgot that instead of buying cake flour just for this recipe, I instead take out 2 tablespoons of the all-purpose flour and replace it with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch instead. It was now time to add half a cup of icing sugar or confectioner's sugar, whatever you choose to call it. I like to give this a little mix just to make sure that the sugar and flour are fully incorporated into each other. I had to smooth out my egg whites. My bowl gets so full, and if I hadn't done that, my head on the top of my machine would have gotten full of egg whites, which is a pain in the butt to clean. I also needed to very slowly add half a cup of white granulated sugar into those egg whites. I also added a little bit of vanilla, which you want to add very slowly, otherwise it will splash. Now we fold our 2 mixtures together, gently, not too rough. You want to make sure that your cake will stay nice and fluffy and light. My kids are usually around at this point saying, "Mom, that looks like marshmallows. Can we lick the scraper?" got these 18 egg yolks left over, and I'm gonna make a custard with them. If you wanna see how I do that, I'll show that tomorrow morning. Okay, it looks like our angel food cake is done, so let's take a peek. Oh yeah, that was really good. Now we need to invert it and let it cool. Go. Turn our oven off. So I've inverted it onto a little dessert bowl, and that will help the cake to keep its shape as it cools so that it won't just flop and go flat. So thanks very much, hope you enjoyed, and I will leave the recipe below. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm back. We're back from a wedding, and let's see how this cake turned out. Ooh, stuck on a little bit. There we go. All right. Let's cut this out of the pan so you can see just what it looks like. There's our cake, fluffy. Let's see if I can cut you a piece. There we go. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Lydia's Plate. Hope you've enjoyed it and gotten ideas of what to put on your plate. If you have enjoyed it, please hit the subscribe button, bell so that you don't miss any ideas of what to put on your plate, and also the thumbs up. We'd like to hear from you, so feel free to question or comment below, and we look forward to sharing more recipes with you. Bye.